get ready for the ultimate tech deep dive. We're strapping in for the brand new Apple Watch Series 11, uncovering all its secrets. After a grueling queue-up, we've got the first 24 hours with this latest wearable. Is it a game changer or just another iteration? We're breaking down the new scratch-resistant glass, the brighter display, and that crucial battery life improvement that might just change your charging habits forever. But that's not all. We're also diving into the more affordable option, the Apple Watch SE 3. This refresh brings some serious bang for your buck, offering key Apple Watch functionalities at a lower price point. We're talking about new gesture controls, increased storage, and even sleep apnea detection. Is this the perfect Apple Watch for everyone? And if you're all about that Apple Watch lifestyle, we're tackling a burning question. Is Apple Fitness Plus worth it? We're putting it to the test, especially if you're already deep in the Apple Health ecosystem. Does it live up to the hype, or is it just another subscription service? Finally, the market is buzzing. We've got the full story on why Apple stock is surging. From new iPhone releases to analyst predictions, we're breaking down the numbers that have investors excited. You won't want to miss these crucial updates. Subscribe, like, and ring that bell so you never miss a beat. Apple Watch Series 11, tougher, brighter, and finally lasting a full day. After braving a rain-battered day and a 3-hour queue, the first full day with the Apple Watch Series 11 is in the books. While it might not be a revolutionary leap, this latest iteration of Apple's smartwatch brings some seriously practical upgrades that address long-standing user frustrations. For those of us who treat our gadgets like they're in a demolition derby. Yes, that's me. The Series 11 boasts INX glass that's now twice as resistant to scratches, with an even tougher sapphire crystal option on the titanium model. The display also gets a major boost, doubling its brightness to 2,000 nits, making outdoor visibility a breeze. But the real game changer: a 33% jump in battery life, promising a full 24 hours of use with always-on display and GPS-enabled workouts, meaning you might actually be able to sleep with it on and still track your rest. Charging is faster too, hitting 80% in about 30 minutes. While it may not be a must-have upgrade for Series 10 owners, the enhanced durability, brighter screen, and extended battery life make the Series 11 the most polished and practical Apple Watch yet. Public reaction is leaning towards cautious optimism, with users eager to test the improved battery and scratch resistance. Analysts are noting that Apple is focusing on refining existing features rather than introducing radical new ones, a strategy that seems to be resonating with consumers looking for reliability. Don't go anywhere, because the story on Apple's budget-friendly wearable is just getting started. Next up, we're diving into the features that make the Apple Watch SE 3 a compelling option for many. Apple Watch SE 3, the smartwatch that checks all the boxes without breaking the bank. Apple's most affordable smartwatch just got a serious upgrade. The Apple Watch SE 3, refreshed in September 2025, is here to prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get essential Apple Watch functionality. While it skips out on the high-end features like ECG and blood oxygen monitoring, found in the Series 11 or Ultra 3, the SE 3 packs a punch with its new S10 CP chip, making it significantly faster than its predecessor. This speed unlocks new gesture controls like wrist flick and double tap, which are surprisingly intuitive for one-handed operation. You also get double the storage at 64 GB, and for the first time on an SE model, an always-on Retina OLED display. Durability gets a boost too, with INX glass offering 4 times better scratch protection. Plus, it adds crucial new health features like sleep apnea detection and temperature sensing. For parents and budget-conscious consumers, the SE 3 is a huge win, offering advanced features like crash detection and 5G connectivity in select regions for family setup. Priced starting at $249, it's the perfect entry point into the Apple Watch ecosystem. Early reviews highlight the impressive speed and the utility of the new gesture controls, with many praising Apple's decision to bring these advanced features to a more accessible price point. The addition of sleep apnea detection is also being lauded as a significant health advancement for a budget device. But is a smartwatch alone enough for your fitness goals? We're about to find out if Apple's own fitness service can keep up with the competition. Apple Fitness Plus. Is it the missing piece for your Apple Watch routine? If you're like many Apple Watch users, you're probably dedicated to closing those daily rings. But have you overlooked the service designed to help you get there? Apple Fitness Plus. Initially dismissed as just another workout app, this subscription service might be the perfect complement to your existing Apple Health and Watch setup. Apple Fitness Plus offers a wide array of guided workouts, from HIIT and yoga to cycling and walking, all featuring high-quality production and a diverse range of instructors. What sets it apart is its seamless integration with your Apple Watch. Workouts display your real-time heart rate, calorie burn, and even show your rings filling up as you exercise, directly syncing to Apple Health. This deep integration makes tracking your progress effortless, especially if you're already invested in the Apple ecosystem. Special programs, celebrity-led walks, and artist spotlights add unique flair, making workouts more engaging. While it might not offer the sheer volume of classes found on platforms like Peloton, Fitness Plus excels in its user experience for Apple Watch owners. Users are praising the convenience of having workouts automatically logged and the motivational aspect of seeing their progress visually tied to their rings. The integration is so smooth that some users find it the most logical next step after using their watch for basic tracking. Now, let's shift gears from fitness to finance. We're uncovering the explosive news driving Apple's stock to new heights today. Apple stock surges. New iPhones and AI hype fuel a 4% rally. Apple stock is making waves, surging 4% and erasing its year-to-date losses. This impressive rally comes hot on the heels of the company's latest product launches, including the much-anticipated iPhone 17 lineup and refreshed AirPods. Analysts are pointing to strong demand for the new iPhones, particularly the redesigned iPhone Air, as a key driver. Early shipping data suggests a significant consumer appetite, with pre-orders in China showing robust numbers despite competition from local giants like Huawei. India is also showing promising year-over-year pre-order growth, indicating a strong festival season ahead. The new Apple Watch, with its AI-driven hypertension alerts, and AirPods Pro 3 with automatic translation, are also contributing to the positive market sentiment. Furthermore, analysts like Wedbush's Dan Ives are optimistic about Apple's AI monetization potential, suggesting the stock could see substantial gains in the coming years. With a large user base that hasn't upgraded in years, Apple is poised for a strong upgrade cycle, making its stock an attractive investment. Investors are clearly responding positively to the combination of product innovation and future AI growth prospects. The market seems to believe Apple is significantly undervalued, especially considering its AI monetization potential, leading to a wave of positive analyst ratings and price target increases. That's all the top stories for today, but we're not done yet. Stick around for a lightning round recap and our full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's tech takeover. We've seen the Apple Watch Series 11 get tougher and last longer, the budget-friendly Apple Watch SE 3 pack in more features than ever, and confirmed that Apple Fitness Plus is a solid choice for Apple Watch users. Plus, Apple stock is absolutely booming thanks to new releases and AI excitement. Don't miss out on more groundbreaking tech news. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, ring the notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you in the next one.